In this lecture, I will discuss about the isolate and the hide command. Okay, what is the benefit of using? And this hide and isolate command gives a little bit more good environment for the working in AutoCAD. So let's start. For example, so here is a nut, here is a keychain. Okay, and for example, I want to hide this. I will just select this object and right click. Okay, here isolate, here is the hide objects command. Okay, here I have hidden the object. Now I can easily and freely work with these two things. Okay, with nut and with the keychain hole. Okay, I can bring back after working and changing in these two objects. I can bring back. Okay, right click, isolate. Okay, and here sorry, undo hide objects. Okay, here the object came back. So now what is the isolate? So now for example, there are too many things in one drawing, and I want to work only one drawing with the concise and concentrate manner. So I will just select this object. Okay, and right click and click isolate. Here is the isolate objects command. Okay, so now this isolated part will come in concentration. Okay, so now I can work with this object easily. Okay, similarly, after finishing the work with this object, I can bring back, just right click. Okay, and isolate here and object isolation. Okay, all the objects will appear again. So that is hide and isolate command in AutoCAD.